So today I will start linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. This is chapter third. So in this equation, consider two equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0. This equation first, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. This equation second. This is the pair of linear equation in two variable. Otherwise, it is called the simultaneous linear equation in two variable. A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2 are the real number. And after this, for solving these equation, we have a many condition. कुछ condition है हमारे. And if A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 for graphical method, and this is the give intersecting line. इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन मतलब कि ग्राफ में अगर देखेंगे तो इसे एक लाइन ये ऐसे जाएगा, ठीक है, तो ये लाइन फर्स्ट हो जाएगा और सेकंड लाइन ऐसे इधर से जाएगा, L2 हो जाएगा, दोनों को ही इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन and the solution of this equation is unique solution. Solution of this equation is unique solution. Okay, so it is a unique solution. After this second, this is the first point, and after this second point, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2. So in this case, their line are coincident line. Coincident line. It means both line are lie together. This is the L1 and this is the L2. And the solution of the type are infinitely. Solution of this type of equation are infinitely many solution. Okay. In the listen carefully again. A1 if A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So in this case, the graphical line are intersecting line and the solution are unique solution. And the both line are intersect at a point. And second, if A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2. And this is line the coincident line. It means both line are coincident, मतलब दोनों एक दूसरे पे लाई कर जाएंगे, ओवरलैप कर जाएंगे. After this, the solution of the type are infinitely many solution. And on next page, we are discuss about third condition. Third condition are third condition A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So in this case, the graph are parallel. This graph are parallel and the line are called parallel line and the solution of the equation are, and there is no solution. There is no solution. No solution. In this type of equation, if this condition hold, so there is no solution. Okay, after this, and I will discuss other form. Other form. Other form is if first condition hold. if they are hold first condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, this is the unique solution of the type unique solution, and it is the consistent. It is the consistent. Yeah, unique solution. Otherwise, we can say consistent type solution. And the second, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2, and this is the infinitely many solution, gives infinitely many solution, and this is also called the inconsistent. This is the also called consistent, and there are three condition. Third condition, if a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, and in this condition there is no solution. This gives no this gives no solution, and the type of this is the inconsistent. This is the inconsistent. So all three type of condition, are you understand? And after this I give example, and 3x plus 4y plus 3 equal 0. This equation first, and this is the 4x minus 6y plus 7 equal 0. This is the equation second. Now compare compare a1x plus b1y plus c1 equation. First compare to this equation, and second equation are compared to this equation c2. This equal to 0 and this equal to 0, and compare. So in the first case, the value of a1 3, value of b1 4, value of c1 3, and in the comparing the equation second to second, value of a2 4, value of b2 minus 6, and value of c2 7. So let's we check a1 by a2 equal 3 by 4, and b1 by b2 equal 4 by minus 6, and so in this case a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So this type of solution are they are unique solution. So this is called unique solution, and it's also called consistent. This is called consistent. Okay, and after this next topic I will discuss second part, and second part are 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal 0. This is equation first, and there 4x plus 6y plus 10. This equal 0. So this is the equation second. Now compare these equation are, this is the first, comparing the equation are a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equal 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. This equation compare to this equation, and this equation compared to this equation. So after this, comparing the first equation, a1 equal to b1 equal 3 and c1 equal 5 and a2 equal, compare, this is compared to this equation, a2 equal 4 and b2 equal 6 and c2 equal 10. So a1 by a2 equal 2 by 4, 1 by 2. b1 by b2 3 by 6, 1 by 2 and c1 by c2. So this is the 5, c1 is 5 and c2 is 10. 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. This is the 1 by 2. So in this case, their value are a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2 equal 1 by 2. So this gives, so this is gives infinitely infinitely many solution, and the solution of the type are consistent. After this, I will discuss third part, and their third part is 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal 0 and 4x plus 6y plus 15 equal 0. Now compare both equation, and they are a1 equal to b1 equal 3, c1 equal 5 and a2 equal 4, b2 equal 6 and c2 equal 15. After this, find the ratio of the a1 by a2, 2 by 4, 1 by 2 and b1 by b2, b1 by b2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2 and c1 by c2, 5 by 15, 1 by 3. So in this case, there are a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal 1 by 2, but this is not equal to c1 by c2. So so this gives this gives this gives no solution. This is the type of no solution. No solution, and it's also called the inconsistent. Okay, all of you understand? Vibhav? Okay, this is completed. In this way, this type of simultaneous linear equation solving in following way. Their first method is graphical method. Their first method is graphical method, and second method is substitution method. Substitution method. Third is elimination method. Elimination method. and fourth is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So in this case, here I will discuss about the second method, substitution method. So in substitution method, we are discuss now consider equation 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal 0 and x minus 3y plus 6 equal 0. This equation first and this is the equation second. So first of all check which type of solution gives a1 by a2 equal 2 by 1, b1 by b2 equal 3y minus 3 equal minus 1. So this is the a1 by a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So gives unique solution. Gives unique solution. So solving these equation, we using the substitution method. So for substitution method, we take any other equation. Here consider equation second from equation second. The value of the x minus and the value of the equation second is x minus 3y plus 6 equal 0 and the value of x is 3y minus 6 and put this value in equation फर्स्ट. इट मीन्स अगर हम सेकंड से निकालेंगे तो वैल्यू फर्स्ट में रखेंगे, अगर फर्स्ट से निकालेंगे तो हम सेकंड में रखेंगे. एंड आफ्टर substituting this value in equation first and there x is 2 into value of x is 3y minus 6 plus 3y plus 4 equal 0. Multiply by 2, 2 3 ja 2 3 ja 6y minus 12 plus 3y plus 4 equal 0. 6y and 3y then we add gives 9y. 9y and 12 में से 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे gives minus 8 so equal 0 and which implies 9y gives 8 and y equal 8 by 9 and this value in this way the value of y we can find and after finding the value y we can find the value of x using the equation third. So put this value of y in equation first. Put value of y in equation first. First में अगर put करेंगे हम तो x equal 3, value of y 8 by 9 minus 6 and 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 8 by 3 minus 6 and 8, 3 6 ja 18 minus 18 by 3 and after this minus 10 by 3. Here we can find the value of the x. In this way we can define the value of the x and y both. So this is the first method are completed and our next video will discuss about the another two method.